What is going on, guys? We have a big announcement here today at Design Diesels with what is going to be happening for the next 30-ish plus days. But I want to start from the top, and I'm sorry about the post that I made earlier for those that did see it, and I didn't realize the video quality was so poor until a buddy had showed me, so I'm remaking it for you guys today. Now, I am back from Australia, and again, I'm sorry also for the inconsistency. I tried to have the post automate while I was gone. You can see in the post I made prior what I did out there on both Instagram and Facebook, which you should go give a like and follow to see more updates that come on what we have for products available. And starting off with the big announcement we have is our Wellwood Big Brake conversion kit for you guys with a Dodge with a single rear wheel on the back, and that is going to be coming with two 6061 aluminum hubs with the races already pressed in and the seal already in for you guys as well, along with two bearings. This allows an easy install, no welding or specialty tools needed outside of a torque wrench and a die grinder or Dremel to nick out a little piece for the mounting brackets, and you're good to go. These are the mounting brackets, which it'll come with two of for the calipers. It'll also come with two 4-piston Wellwood calipers, a box of brake pads, and a bag of bolts that will have all the bolts you need for install. This is the rotor. This is what the rotor looks like when it's installed on the hub itself, and this is the box that it will come in. Put in a specialty plastic wrap with some Sullivan. You will need to hit them with a nice brake clean before you install them, and you'll be good to go. Now you might be asking, how do I enter this raffle off? Well, today, if you, from the 24th to the 30th, if you guys buy a product on my website, you'll get 5 tickets for entry, whether it's a coffee mug that I offer or a hat that I have here, like so. They do come in multiple different colors. My hats do, along with all of my shirts come in multiple different colors and designs on them. So with that, starting off, we have our dry fit shirts. This is just one that I have with me here today, and that is a dry fit long sleeve shirt designed for those blue collar workers out there. I want to give a big shout out to you guys for keeping this impossible infrastructure alive, making sacrifices, working long and hard in this hot heat with the sun beating on you all day. And this was designed specifically for you guys to help keep you cool during the day, but also keep the sun off you. That way you don't have the sun beating directly on your skin. And it comes with its own design on the back for each brand of truck and different brands of trucks. So, you know, mom, dad, girlfriend, brother, friend, you can get a gift for them as well. And you can also purchase this without breaking the bank and have some nice work shirts, have some style on the job site. It does come in high-vis colors. And as well, if you just want a long sleeve through, for your free time, you have the ability right here to wear that and have some style with it as well. We also offer some sweatshirts that I have up here. This one happens to be a Power Stroke sweatshirt, as you can see here, with an American flag and a woodland pattern background on the back in gray. It does come in multiple different colors for you guys as well, along with this Duramax hoodie we have here in maroon, coming with, again, its own design on the back here and on the front. And then here is a Cummins sweatshirt that I offer with the logo on the front. No, it is not the Cummins logo. And you have a quote on the back with some design there. And then again, you have this Cummins sweatshirt right here. This just happens to be in white. Again, multiple different colors and sizes with the American flag woodland background on the back. Also, some of the t-shirts that I do have, I've got this Duramax t-shirt right here with a logo and quote on the back for you guys, along with this gray t-shirt right here. That is a Power Stroke shirt that says "Sorry, boost loading." Again, I do have shirts for all makes and models of trucks or brands, specifically Cummins, Power Stroke, and Duramax. And then this just is another Duramax or Power Stroke shirt, my bad, with a logo or a quote on the back to kind of keep it funny. But again, every purchase you make, so if you make 2 purchases, that'll be 10 tickets. You make 1 purchase, that's 5. You make 3, that'll be 15 tickets, so on and so forth. For every product purchased on my website, you get a free entry on this raffle off, and this will get shipped directly to your guys' house for free for any purchase of product. When we decide who the winner is going to be, we'll draw the tickets out and we'll pick a lucky winner of this, and it'll get shipped free directly to your house. And before then, I will also have an install video for you guys, so you guys know how to install this on your own truck. I'm personally just waiting for my calipers and hubs to get back from powder coating. That way you guys can see what it looks like when you have it powder coated or whatnot to help keep it protected from corrosion, etc., and look pretty underneath your truck. That is what I have for you guys here at Design Diesels today. I will be doing a raffle off for the dually rear hubs as well once I get them in inventory on my store. So not only is this for the single rear wheel, but I will be having dualies as well. Along with the dually one is going to be coming with an e-brake parking brake for those that were concerned about having e-brake or parking brake, and I will be offering that on my website at about the same time as the dually hubs come in for you guys, and we'll be selling it separately. So if you guys buy this kit now, you will be able to add a parking brake or e-brake, whichever you decide to call it, to your kit later on down the road just by bolting up a bracket and a caliper, and it will come with a cable for you guys. But that is the big announcement here today at Design Diesels. I hope you all had a wonderful time and have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to give my videos a like, follow, and subscribe, and my pages for you guys to stay tuned with what we have going on here at Design Diesels. Thank you.